how to host Google AI Studio animated website for free. So I hosted this animated awesome looking website completely for free. Okay. And let me show you where I hosted it. Okay. So I hosted it on this platform. And as you can see, this is the website. This is the link. Let me click on it for you to see. And it is hosted for completely free. So let me show you step by step how you can do the exact same thing. Simply go to Google and then from Google search, come and search for Google AI Studio just like this and hit enter. When it's come and select the official site of Google AI Studio by clicking on it, it's going to bring you right here to the Google AI Studio platform. All that you have to do is simply come here to where you have the build, and that it you're going to see that I have my apps here. Come and click on it, and then all the website that you have built inside Google AI Studio is going to show up just like this. Come and then select the one that you want to host it for completely free. So I'm going to select this one. It's going to open up just like this. So from the top, as you can see, we are the preview. Come here to where you have the code and come and click on the code. And then at the top right hand corner, you're going to see that we have export here. Come and click on the down arrow. You're going to see we have download as zip file. Come and then click on it. Okay. After that's going to be downloaded just like this, you can simply come in and put the mouse on the showing folder and then click on it. So when you click on it, it's going to show the zip file, okay, this one. So right click on it and then come and then click on extract all. So when you click on it, it's going to extract just like this. Make sure that show extracted files when complete is checked and then come and click on extract. So after clicking on it, it's going to extract and it's going to open up just like this. Okay, good. So now all that you have to do is simply come and then close it and then come and then drag the unzip folder, that's the extracted folder, onto your desktop just like this. After that, what you have to do is simply open Anti-Gravity, okay, Google Anti-Gravity, and when you open it's going to show up just like this. Okay, so if you don't have it, let me show you where to get the Anti-Gravity. Simply go to Google and then from Google search, simply come here and then come and search for Google Anti-Gravity just like this and then hit enter. Okay, so when it comes, simply come here, then come and select the official site by clicking on it. It's going to bring you right here to the Google Anti-Gravity platform. Okay, from there you can simply come in and click on download the Anti-Gravity and then install it, and after that open it. Okay, so when you open it, simply come here to where we have, that is, select a project. Okay, you will see that we have the down arrow here. Come and then click on it, and then all these options is going to show up just like this. All that you have to do is simply come and then click on new project. Okay, so when you click on it, over here you have the option to come and then select your unzip folder. Okay, the one that we just extracted from the zip folder. Okay, and then simply come and then click on select folder. So it's going to be loaded and then selected inside Google Anti-Gravity just like this. And now all that you have to do is simply come and then select the model. Okay, so you can leave it at Gemini 3.6 Flash and then come and then paste in the prompt to build it. So the prompt, look in the video description, you're going to find a link inside it. Click on it, it's going to bring you right here, and then you're going to see that we have the universal prompt for Google Anti-Gravity right here. Okay, and then from here you see that prompt start from here. Simply come and then put the mouse from the top, highlight it from the top to the bottom just like this. After that, come and put the mouse on it, right click on it and then come and click on copy to copy the whole prompt. After copying it, simply come back here to inside Anti-Gravity and then come and paste in the prompt just like this. Okay, and after pasting in the prompt inside Google Anti-Gravity, simply come here, then come and click on send the prompt. And when you send the Google Anti-Gravity is going to receive it. Okay, and mostly it's going to ask you permission just like this. So whenever it asks you the permission, select yes, allow this time by simply pressing 1, okay, on your keyboard. So when you press 1 on your keyboard, it is going to go ahead and then build it for you. And as you can see, build was successful. And then from here you can see that it has given us the disk, and it has also given us the disk location. Okay, and over here too, it has shown us how we are going to host it for completely free. All that you have to do is simply come and then say thank you to show appreciation for a good work done. And as you can see, it has also responded. Now, all that you have to do is simply come and then close it. Okay, so from the top right hand corner, you can simply come and then click on the close to close it. And then from the extracted folder, come and right click on it and then click on open to open it. And you are going to see that inside it, you have a disk. So from here, let me go to the view and then come here to the large icons so that you see it clearly. And as you can see, this is the disk folder that Anti-Gravity has prepared, and this is what we are going to host it for free. Simply go to Google and then from Google search, come and then type in Netlify drop just like this and then hit enter. Okay, so when you hit enter, it's going to open, and then from here come and select the official site of Netlify by clicking on it. So when you click on it, it's going to open just like this, and over here this is where we are going to drop our disk folder right here. Okay, So simply come and then drag it, okay? Just drag the dist and then simply come and then drop it right here, just like this, and automatically it's going to upload it and host it automatically for you. So as you can see from here, it is having a time that it's going to expire. So if you want to make it permanent, simply come and then click on claim this site, okay? So when you click on it, you have to come and then sign up with your Gmail. So you can click on sign up with Google, and that is it. You are going to be logged in, and you can come and click on got it, and that is it. So from here, this is the website and then this is the link, but as you can see, it is private, so you have to make it public. So to make it public, simply come here and then come and click on make public. So when you click on it, that is it. It's going to show up just like this. Make sure that everything is just like this as it is. Then simply come here and then come and click on make public. So when you click on it, that is it. It is going to be hosted on that URL for you. That is free. Okay, so simply come and then click on close, and from here you can simply come and then open it by simply coming to click on the URL. So when you click on the URL, that is it. Your website is now hosted live and it is working perfectly fine. So this is actually how to host your animated UI Studio website for free. Like the video and see you in my next video.